this home behind me is very unique. Right now, it is priced at $575,000. It is a single family home, 2-story, 1,500 square foot, 3-bed, 2.5 bath, and it has a pool. Sitting on a cul-de-sac lot, by the way. Now, I want to tell you a little bit more about the Desert Ridge area, what makes this home specifically a really good buy, but I'll tell you more about that inside. Real quick, let's get started with the tour so you guys can see what we're working with. So as we walk inside, the first thing that we're greeted with right here is our beautiful living room. So again, this is 1,500 square foot, but something to note is that this property right here itself is the only one that actually has this unique kitchen where the wall has been kind of pretty much cut off and then the kitchen has been extended. So it is small in square footage, but a lot of people do like how open it is and how you can kind of still entertain in this area. So this is the first level. This is the kitchen. It has been updated. It is super, super nice, super fancy. A lot of space, love the island there. And then we have this beautiful back tile splash over here. So now we make our way over to the living room and we'll finish off at the pool. But here we are. We've got our half bathroom right here with this cool little closet. It's dark, but I'll show you so you guys can see it. And then we have our garage, which is actually pretty spacious. Now, obviously they've got some stuff in here, but I just wanted to show you, like, this can probably fit 2 trucks, to be honest. So now let's make our way upstairs. So come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And we are upstairs. So as we get here, we're gonna have our 3 rooms. To the right, we're gonna have bedroom number 1. We're gonna have right here, bedroom number 2. And right here, we have our full bathroom. And then we're gonna come on over here to the master. Nice, simple master. And then we have our bathroom. So, interesting closet, sorry, not closet. Interesting kind of space inside the shower. And then you have our tub shower combo right here. Closet is over there. My fault for that. So now we are gonna make it down. And before we actually make it to the outside, so I'm gonna put you guys down for a second. We're gonna talk for a little bit because let me tell you something. If I can do this. All right, so like I mentioned, we are in the Desert Ridge area. Now I love Desert Ridge. I personally live a couple of miles from here and no bias, I think it's the best area in town. I think that home prices will continue to appreciate here. And that is for specifically 3 things. So number 1, Sprouts is building a headquarters literally a mile, 2 miles away from here, which is adding 3,500 new jobs. Not to mention we have the Cardinals practice facility, which is going on the other side of that, which is probably like another 2 miles. And then we have the Desert Oasis project, which is a $1.9 billion project, which is going down to the Mayo Clinic. So everything around this area is going up. The roads have been widening. And what I like specifically about this lot is that, again, it is a corner lot. So when we get to the outside, there's no neighbors behind you. This is a road, but it's not a main street, so it's still quiet, and it will never be a main street, I promise you. And then on the side, we do have a walkway, which kind of gives a little bit of separation from the neighbors. So hopefully all that information helps you get a better understanding on why I think this is one of the best deals out there right now. So let's finish up the tour and let's go outside. Now as we walk outside, so here we have the pool. It is 6 foot deep, so it is plenty of deep for you there. And then we have here, like I said, home. We've got some turf. And yeah, I mean, that is pretty much what we have. So with that being said, guys, look, this home qualifies for our low interest rate program where you can save up to 1% with the purchase of this home. In order to get more information about that, you have to do is click the link below, fill out the information, or reach out to me and ask me, hey, Derek, I want to know more about that low interest rate program, and I will let you know all the details. Now, this home specifically, wasn't the one that you were looking for, well, guess what? I can show you more and more like it in the area. So with that being said, I am Derek Perez, your local Phoenix realtor, here for all your real estate needs, and I will see you guys on the next video.